Indian troops launched a violent cordon and search operation in the Poonch district of the Jammu region. The Indian Army and Border Security Force personnel during the operation opened fire in Karmara area of the district, but there was no immediate report of any casualty. Narendra Modi-led Indian government is pursuing the agenda of the extremist Hindu organization Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, and the same is clearly visible in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and India's Manipur state. India under communal Narendra Modi is moving systematically with the RSS agenda to turn the country into a Hindu Rashtriya. Muslims in the occupied Kashmir and Christian tribal communities in the Manipur are the victims of the Hindu mindset. BJP leader and District Development Council member assaulted and harassed two civilians in the Srinagar city. BJP leader Ijaz Hussain and his personal security officers assaulted and harassed two persons near Sempura Chowk in Srinagar without any reason. Despite public objections, the administration of the Ladakh region has re-notified for a period of 10 years a field firing range spread over 5 lakh canals as being used by the Indian Army in the Kargil district. Home Department of the territory has issued a notification declaring an area of 5,69,911 canals and 17 marlas as an area for carrying out field firing and artillery practice by the Indian Army for a period of 10 years. India's dreaded National Investigation Agency conducted raids at multiple locations in several districts of the territory today. The NIA sleuths, along with the personnel of Indian Central Reserve Police Force personnel, raided and searched the houses of Farooq Ahmad Butt, Zubair Ahmad Dar and Ali Muhammad Dar in Badgam district. The raids were conducted in connection with the case registered by the NIA under Draconian Law Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. A trainee was found dead under mysterious circumstances at a training school in Ganderbal district. The police trainee was found dead in mysterious condition in the washroom. Jammu-Srinagar highway and the Mughal road have been closed for vehicular traffic due to mudslides, landslides and shooting stones on the road stretch in Ramban and Poonch districts respectively.